Welcome to the BitSat MCQs English and Reasoning. 50 high-quality BitSat MCQs based on past year patterns. 50 questions. Let us begin. Question 1. Choose the correct form. Neither of the students __ submitted the assignment. Option A, have. Option B, had. Option C, has. Option D, having. The correct answer is option C, has. Neither either takes singular verb, has. Question 2. Identify the error. He is one of those students who A. always comes, B. late to, C. every class, D. dot. Option A, Option B, Option C, Option D, a D. The correct answer is option A, who refers to students, plural, so verb should be come. Question 3. Choose the correct sentence. Option A, the news is shocking. Option B, the news are shocking. Option C, the news were shocking. Option D, the news have shocked. The correct answer is option A, the news is shocking. News is uncountable always takes singular verb. Question 4. Fill in the blank. She would rather __ at home than go out. Option A, stayed. Option B, stay. Option C, stays. Option D, staying. The correct answer is option B, stay. After, would rather, use bare infinitive. Question 5. Select the correct passive voice. They have completed the project. Option A, the project has been completed by them. Option B, the project was completed by them. Option C, the project had been completed. Option D, the project is completed by them. The correct answer is option A, the project has been completed by them. Present perfect passive, has have plus been plus V3. Question 6. Choose the correct sentence. Option A, if I was you I would go. Option B, if I be you I would go. Option C, if I am you I would go. Option D, if I were you I would go. The correct answer is option D, if I were you I would go. Subjunctive mood requires were for all persons. Question 7. Choose the antonym of laconic. Option A, brief. Option B, concise. Option C, terse. Option D, verbose. The correct answer is option D, verbose. Laconic is equal to using few words, antonym is equal to verbose, wordy. Question 8. Choose the synonym of ephemeral. Option A, permanent. Option B, transient. Option C, eternal. Option D, lasting. The correct answer is option B, transient. Ephemeral is equal to short-lived, synonym is equal to transient. Question 9. The word perspicacious means. Option A, unclear. Option B, perplexed. Option C, having keen insight. Option D, stubborn. The correct answer is option C, having keen insight. Perspicacious is equal to having a ready insight into things. Question 10. Choose the word closest in meaning to enervate. Option A, weaken. Option B, energize. Option C, enliven. Option D, strengthen. The correct answer is option A, weaken. Enervate is equal to drain of energy or vitality. Question 11. Ostentatious most nearly means. Option A, humble. Option B, secretive. Option C, modest. Option D, showy. The correct answer is option D, showy. Ostentatious is equal to characterized by vulgar display. Question 12. Choose the antonym of indigenous. Option A, native. Option B, local. Option C, foreign. Option D, original. The correct answer is option C, foreign. Indigenous is equal to native, antonym is equal to foreign. Question 13. In a passage about climate change, the author argues that industrial emissions are the primary cause. The tone of the passage is most likely. Option A, ambivalent. Option B, persuasive. Option C, satirical. Option D, nostalgic. The correct answer is option B, persuasive. Arguing a primary cause with conviction is equal to persuasive tone. Question 14. A passage ends with, without immediate action, future generations will bear the consequences. This statement primarily serves to Option A, summarize the passage. Option B, provide evidence. Option C, create urgency and a call to action. Option D, introduce a counterargument. The correct answer is option C, create urgency and a call to action. This rhetorical device creates urgency and compels action. Question 15. The word ostensibly in a passage most closely means. Option A, actually. Option B, apparently. Option C, secretly. Option D, certainly. The correct answer is option B, apparently. Ostensibly is equal to apparently or seemingly. Question 16. Sculptor, chisel, painter. Option A, canvas. Option B, brush. Option C, easel. Option D, palette. The correct answer is option B, brush. A sculptor uses a chisel, a painter uses a brush, primary tool. Question 17. Flock, birds, school. Option A, teachers. Option B, students. Option C, fish. Option D, whales. The correct answer is option C, fish. Flock is to birds as school is to fish, collective nouns. Question 18. Preamble, constitution, preface. Option A, book. Option B, epilogue. Option C, index. Option D, chapter. The correct answer is option A, book. Preamble is the introduction of a constitution. Preface is the introduction of a book. Question 19. Provoke, anger, flatter. Option A, happiness. Option B, sadness. Option C, disgust. Option D, vanity. The correct answer is option D, vanity. Provoke leads to anger, flattery appeals to and feeds vanity. Question 20. Opaque, transparent, ambiguous. Option A, vague. Option B, clear. Option C, complex. Option D, obscure. The correct answer is option B, clear. Opaque is opposite to transparent, ambiguous is opposite to clear. Question 21. Ignominy, shame, euphoria. Option A, grief. Option B, sadness. Option C, elation. Option D, calmness. The correct answer is option C, elation. Ignominy is equal to deep shame, euphoria is equal to intense happiness, elation both represent extremes. Question 22. The phrase with a view to is followed by option A, infinitive. Option B, gerund. Option C, past participle. Option D, base verb. The correct answer is option B, gerund. With a view to is followed by a gerund, we plus ing. Question 23. Garrulous is to taciturn as timid is to. Option A, shy. Option B, fearful. Option C, bold. Option D, nervous. The correct answer is option C, bold. Garrulous, talkative, is opposite of taciturn, silent, timid is opposite of bold. Question 24. Select the correctly punctuated sentence. Option A, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Option B, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Option C, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Option D, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? The correct answer is option D, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's is equal to it is, comma before tag question, apostrophe in isn't. Question 25. Choose the correct reported speech for, she said, I am tired. Option A, she said that she is tired. Option B, she said that she was tired. Option C, she said that I was tired. Option D, she told that she was tired. The correct answer is option B, she said that she was tired. Reported speech shifts tense, am, was, say, takes, that, not, told. Question 26. In a code language, if computer is coded as RFUVQ, how is printer coded? Option A, SFJUF. Option B, QSJOU. Option C, COFS.js. Option D, SFJOF. The correct answer is option C, COFS.js. Each letter is shifted by +1 in the alphabet, C to D, OP, printer, COFS.js. Question 27. Arrange in logical order, 1 sentence to word 3 paragraph 4 letter 5 chapter. Option A, 4-2-1-3-5. Option B, 5-4-2-1-3. Option C, 5-3-1-2-4. Option D, 1-2-3-4-5. The correct answer is option A, 4-2-1-3-5. Smallest to largest unit, letter word sentence paragraph chapter. Question 28. A is B's sister. C is B's mother. D is C's father. E is D's mother. How is A related to D? Option A, granddaughter. Option B, daughter. Option C, granddaughter. Option D, niece. The correct answer is option A, granddaughter. A is B's sister, both are children of C. C's father is D. A is D's granddaughter. Question 29. If all bloops are razzles and all razzles are lazzles, then option A, all bloops are lazzles. Option B, all lazzles are bloops. Option C, all razzles are bloops. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, all bloops are lazzles. Transitive, bloops razzles lazzles, therefore all bloops are lazzles. Question 30. 6 people A, B, C, D, E, F sit in a row. B is between F and D, E is between A and C. A does not sit next to F or D, C is at the right end. The person at the left end is option A, option B, F option C, D option D, E. The correct answer is option B, F working out constraints, C is rightmost, EAC sequence, B between F and D, F is leftmost. Question 31. Find the next number 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, ____. Option A, 40. Option B, 42. Option C, 44. Option D, 46. The correct answer is option B, 42. Differences 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, next is equal to 30 plus 12 equals 42. Question 32. Find the missing term 3, 8, 15, 24, 35, ____. Option A, 48. Option B, 46. Option C, 50. Option D, 45. The correct answer is option A, 48. Differences 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, next is equal to 35 plus 13 equals 48. Question 33. Find the odd one out, 8, 27, 64, 100, 125. Option A, 8. Option B, 27. Option C, 64. Option D, 100. The correct answer is option D, 100. 8 is equal to 2 superscript 3, 27 is equal to 3 superscript 3, 64 is equal to 4 superscript 3, 125 is equal to 5 superscript 3, all perfect cubes, 100 is equal to 10 superscript 2 is only a perfect square. Question 34. Next in series, A's, BDF, CEG, ____. Option A, DFH. Option B, DHF. Option C, DFG. Option D, EGI. The correct answer is option A, DFH. Each series increases by 1, ABCD, CDEF, EFGH, DFH. Question 35. A square is folded diagonally and a triangle punch is made at the center of the hypotenuse. When unfolded, the number of holes is option A, 1, option B, 2, option C, 3, option D, 4. The correct answer is option B, 2. Folding diagonally and punching once creates 2 holes when unfolded. Mirror image. Question 36. How many triangles are in a regular hexagon divided by all its diagonals? Option A, 24. Option B, 12. Option C, 6. Option D, 18. The correct answer is option A, 24. A regular hexagon with all diagonals creates 24 triangles. Question 37. In a class of 60 students, 40% play cricket, 30% play football, and 10% play both. How many play neither? Option A, 12. Option B, 18. Option C, 24. Option D, 30. The correct answer is option C, 24. Cricket is equal to 24, football is equal to 18, both is equal to 6, either is equal to 24 plus 18, 6 is equal to 36, neither is equal to 60-36 is equal to 24. Question 38. A shopkeeper sells an item at 20% profit. If the cost price is superscript 1 500, what is the selling price? Option A, 580. Option B, 620. Option C, 550. Option D, 600. The correct answer is option D, 600. SP is equal to CP plus CPX profit percent is equal to 500 plus 100 equals 600. Question 39. If 30% of a number is 90, what is 75% of that number? Option A, 200. Option B, 225. Option C, 250. Option D, 175. The correct answer is option B, 225. Number is equal to 90. 0.30 is equal to 300. 75% of 300 is equal to 225. Question 40. A pie chart shows expenditure, food 30%, rent 25%, education 20%, others 25%. If total expenditure is 40,000, how much is spent on education? Option A, 8,000. Option B, 10,000. Option C, 12,000. Option D, 6,000. The correct answer is option A, 8,000. Education is equal to 20% of 40,000 is equal to superscript 1 8,000. Question 41. Some cats are dogs. All dogs are birds. Conclusions: some cats are birds. Some birds are cats. Option A, only I. Option B, only 2. Option C, both I and 2. Option D, neither I nor 2. The correct answer is option C, both I and 2. From some cats are dogs and all dogs are birds, some cats are birds, I, and some birds are cats, 2, both follow. Question 42. Choose the odd one out: nurse, doctor, patient, surgeon. Option A, a nurse. Option B, doctor. Option C, patient. Option D, surgeon. The correct answer is option C, patient. Nurse, doctor, surgeon are medical professionals, patient is not. Question 43. Complete the series 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, ____. Option A, 30. Option B, 36. Option C, 49. Option D, 35. The correct answer is option B, 36. 1 superscript 2 is equal to 1, 2 superscript 2 is equal to 4, 3 superscript 2 is equal to 9, 4 superscript 2 is equal to 16, 5 superscript 2 is equal to 25, 6 superscript 2 is equal to 36. Question 44. P is 40 meters south of Q, R is 40 meters east of Q, S is 40 meters north of R. What is the distance and direction of S from P? Option A, 80 m east. Option B, 42 meters northeast. Option C, 40 m east. Option D, 80 m northeast. The correct answer is option A, 80 m east. P is 40 s of Q, R is 40 e of Q, S is 40 n of R, S is at same latitude as Q, 40 e. P2S is equal to 80 m east. Question 45. Find the missing number in matrix 2, 4, 8, 3, 9, 27, 4, 16. Option A, 64. Option B, 48. Option C, 32. Option D, 56. The correct answer is option A, 64. Pattern: N, N superscript 2, N superscript 3, 4, 16, 64. Question 46. A clock shows 3:15. What is the angle between the minute and our hands? Option A, 0 degrees. Option B, 7.5 degrees. Option C, 15 degrees. Option D, 22.5 degrees. The correct answer is option B, 7.5 degrees. At 3:15, minute hand at 90 degrees, our hand at 97.5 degrees, 3A30 plus 15A 0.5, angle is equal to 7.5 degrees. Question 47. In a family, mother, father, son, daughter, and grandfather. Son is the only brother of daughter. Grandfather has 2 grandchildren. How many females can be in this family? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, cannot be determined. The correct answer is option B, 3. Mother, F. Daughter, F. Grandfather could be paternal, at most mother plus daughter plus possibly wife of grandfather is equal to 3. Question 48. Train travels 300 kilometers in 5 hours. How long will it take to travel 480 kilometers at the same speed? Option A, 7 hours. Option B, 7.5 hours. Option C, 8 hours. Option D, 8.5 hours. The correct answer is option C, 8 hours. Speed is equal to 300 divided by 5 equals 60 km/h. Time is equal to 480 divided by 60 equals 8 hours. Question 49. Select the correct sentence. Option A. He insisted that she goes immediately. Option B. He insisted that she go immediately. Option C. He insisted that she went immediately. Option D. He insisted that she should goes immediately. The correct answer is option B. He insisted that she go immediately. Subjunctive in that clause after insist uses base form go. Question 50. Next in series AZ by CX DW _____. Option A EU. Option B EV. Option C EW. Option D ET. The correct answer is option B EV. First letters A, B, C, D, E, ascending, second letters Z, Y, X, W, V, descending, EV. Thanks for playing. Subscribe to Quiz Mantra for more quizzes.